this concept of, hey, if you like playing games or if you like telling stories or you like drawing, video games is a career path that's open for you, and it's viable, and it's growing. The industry is growing like crazy. So we need more girls. We run summer camps and workshops for girls ages 8 to 17, and we teach them video game design, programming, art, everything that goes into making a game in a team setting. So at the end of camp, they have a fully functional game.
Awesome, that's way cool. So what kind of areas of gaming making are you guys interested in? What do you guys teach? What specific subjects?
It's everything. Like I said, we start with game design. So they come in with all these great ideas, but they don't know how to translate that into a game. So we teach them what game design is, what mechanics are, and how you can translate a story into something interactive and playable. So we teach them a software called Stencil if you're younger and you don't have coding experience. And if you have some coding experience or you want to learn, we teach you how to work in Unity. Workshops are in about 44 cities worldwide, and our summer camps are in the US, Australia, and Canada.
Awesome. So what's your favorite part about Girls Make Games?
Just watching the girls go from, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, and at the end feeling that pride in a product that they made, and the joy of sharing it with their families. Like they feel really empowered and really validated in who they are. Like I think a lot of girls that come to camp have sort of had to fight a lot of stereotypes, and if they like games, it's because their dad plays them or their brother plays them, or they'll say things like, all of my friends that play games are boys. But then they come to camp, and then it's 100% girls, and they're really surprised by that, because when they look around, they're like, oh, I'm not the only girl, I'm not weird, there are other people like me. So I think providing that safe space for them and providing that community and love and support, that was really the mission behind Girls Make Games. Because when I started doing this, and this is still true quite a bit, I don't play a lot of games. So I don't come from that background of feeling the way these girls did. But when I ran the camps and I met them, my purpose behind this was to give them confidence and to introduce them to coding. But then all these other things that came out of it, and that just solidified the mission behind the organization.
That's so awesome. I love that whole thing, that mission, the introducing them to the coding and everything like that. That's really cool.
Thank you.
What are your future goals? Like, what are you trying to kind of branch out and do in the future?
Absolutely. So you can imagine we're a small organization. There's only 4 of us, and we are needed everywhere. So we're taking all of the curriculum that we've developed and producing tutorials and videos and a whole lot of fun things and putting it up on the Girls Make Games website. And we're calling it the Girls Make Games portal. Portal because when you enter it, it's like a whole new world where you can learn anything and everything that goes into making a game, and you can meet other girls that are doing the same thing anywhere in the world. So that's a project I'm very passionate about right now, and we're working on it. We're also launching a few partnerships where we do game design contests, so you can just write in a game idea and send it to, it was in partnership with Google, so it's ongoing right now. And if they like your idea, the top 5 girls will be flown out to LA for like this game developers party, yeah. So we're just trying to get the conversation going and getting this concept of, hey, you can, if you like playing games or if you like telling stories or you like drawing, video games is a career path that's open for you, and it's viable, and it's growing. The industry is growing like crazy. So we need more girls.